Hello guys, today we prepare the Italian cured pork loin. But now let's see the intro. We need 1 kilogram of pork loin. The most difficult things is to tie a wrap, but now I will show you, so please follow the video. With a piece of string you can tie the meat. So now with the hand you should turn 3 times and after put the meat inside the string in this way. Now we need 500 grams of salt plus 250 grams of brown sugar. We mix both together and after we massage the meat. Now we should put the meat with the salt and the brown sugar in the fridge for 24 hours. After 24 hours the meat will leave a lot of water, a lot of juice. So now we remove the salt, the sugar that remain and the juice, and we wash it with the white vinegar. After we dry a little bit, again we massage with salt, sugar and pepper. In the end we put a lot of pepper, but I'll show you. Washed our meat with the vinegar. Now we take 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of pepper. We mix these 3 ingredients and we cure the meat again. After 5 minutes the meat will leave again a little bit of juice. This can help us to glue the pepper. This is more pepper, ground really small, really thin, don't know what to say in English. So now we add the pepper, we massage with the pepper in this way. Now we should hang up our coppa, our meat, in some place where there is not too much wind or dust, because we should keep at room temperature. For sure there will drop some drop of liquids again, because we said that the meat will sweat. After 24 hours we will put in the fridge or in the basement, but see you this tomorrow. See you tomorrow. After 24 hours at room temperature, now we can put our meat in the basement, or if you have not the basement, in the fridge, like I will do. I will put together with the pancetta that probably today I will test one of the 2 pancetta that I have already done. So see you in the future to test this one. You should keep in the basement or in the fridge more or less 1 month. You can see is in the fridge, and probably today, like I say already, I will remove the pancetta, not the small one but the flat one, because it's already 21 days, so I want to test it. Finally, after 1 month, our pork loin is seasoned, so now we can test it. Spectacular, especially with the strawberry wine. Okay guys, see you next time. Remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like it, and to watch the other videos. Here you can find how to make strawberry wine or other kind of wine, and how to homebrew the beer at home. Remember always that if you have some suggestion or some question, please write me. Bye bye.